Welcome back, guys. So it's a little chilly. That sun's peeking through the clouds today. It's warming everything up real nice. So we got an outdoor project for today. I'm gonna get some stuff done. Hang out for a minute. So project for today is to finish this pump house. So I don't have to worry about it anymore. I don't have to think. It's not in the back of my head as a project that's not complete. Get it done. The last thing we have to do is put batten on it. Cover those grooves. Cover the cracks in the boards so the water doesn't go in, the wind doesn't go in. Got my makeshift workbench up over here. Chop saw, nail gun, air compressor. It's all ready to go. Let's get it done. Looks like 98 3/4. Cut that one first, 99. So these pieces of batten are straight off the mill. None of the ends are straight. That's where the chainsaw actually cut the tree into lengths. So I've got to straighten all these ends up before I can measure them and cut them to put them up. Just cut a little bit off, slide it down. So the boards on the side and the front are overlapping, leaving a joint right here. So this is the first piece of batten I'll put up, just to cover that joint. And then when I go down the side, I'll cover this joint with this piece of batten. And it kind of seals in all the joints, makes it a little bit better. So I'm using a brad nailer for the batten. I didn't want to use a screw because I didn't want to run a chance of splitting these little thin pieces of board. So I'm using a brad nailer with 1.5 inch brads. These are 3/4 inches thick and the boards are 3/4 inch thick. So this won't puncture through and leave little nail heads sticking out on the inside. But I'm putting the nails in side by side and at an angle so they hold that piece of batten up. If you just put them all in straight, that batten can pull away from the boards. So you want to, if you're going to use a brad nail gun, you're going to want to put them in at an angle, opposite angles, whether it's up and down or side to side, as you're going down these strips. And that kind of, the angles lock it in, so it can't come back off as easy. The batten is finally done. This pump house is finally complete. All the siding, insulation, heat for the water pipes, it's done. It's even got a light switch in it so I can see what I'm doing in the dark if something goes wrong. I do have to admit, I cheated. I wasn't going to put this diagonal in. Why that came about? I ran out of batten. I thought I had more than enough. Way more than enough. I thought I milled out probably 10 pieces more than I needed. But as it turns out, going around the door and going some of the edges, I probably didn't count double for the corners. That's probably how I ran out. But I had enough to put a diagonal in and then use the scrap cut-off pieces that I had from all the rest. So it worked out. I think it looks good. So a little walk around before I sign off. Let's just see. Whole 360 view. So it feels really good to get a project done, completely done. I've got a lot of projects going on around here and a lot of them are halfway done or barely started. This one's done. Now I've got a mess to clean up. So if you like the channel and you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell for notifications so you get a notification every time I put out a new video. Hit that like button for us, help our channel get out there. Tell a friend and leave a comment. If nothing else, just say hello. Until next time, guys, go make something. I didn't want to use thick screws. I screwed all my boards up. Screwed all my boards up.